Welcome to Jammu Links News and Conversation with series. Our guest for today is someone who believes it's never too young to chase your dreams. He is in his 20s and a successful entrepreneur. He has a sense of passion in the food. His strongest asset is in the deep-rooted passion that lies in the food industry. He is very authentic with his food flavors and textures and running a business by the name of Out of the Box. Please let us welcome Naren. Welcome to our show, Naren.
Hi.
Hi. So our viewers would like to know that why did you start cooking professionally? What inspired you to start cooking in the professional way?
Actually, I'm from a hotel management background. I've done my bachelor's of hotel management from Manipal University and I just graduated in May. Though I had a job with Taj Hotels as a management trainee program, but due to COVID, we all know our industry was the worst hit sector. And being at home, like I was home and doing nothing, and I just got restless that okay, I have to do something. So just one day I was sitting at home and it just struck me, and I saw one of my friend started this venture saying cloud kitchen and home kitchen.
Okay.
So but from there I started thought that yes, I can do something like this, and from there I started entering into the kitchen, seeing my mom and dad cooking and all that. From there I developed this, and yeah, I thought this will be a good experience for me till the time I'm home.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So what does your style of cooking distinguishes Out of the Box from the other brands in the Jammu? How does it differs from, the other outlets in the Jammu, food outlets specifically in Jammu?
Actually, the thing is, I don't think in Jammu anybody is like providing food from home. Like nobody has a home kitchen that established.
Okay.
And the cuisine, which like the food, the dishes, whichever I'm giving, they all are very like I see to that they all are in authentic flavors. Like I'm giving Indian cuisine, I'm giving fast foods like pizzas, burgers, and even Kashmiri like Rogan Josh and all. So whenever I'm giving it, first of all, it's home cooked food. Okay, it's not a restaurant food and all. When it's home cooked, people enjoy it, and I see to that, and it's like the taste and everything is perfect.
Exactly.
Because I give my personal touch to it.
All right.
Because in the restaurants and all, okay, there are chefs who are making it, but over here, I'm managing it, and I'm also like seeing like everybody gets the perfect taste of it.
Okay. So what do we expect from the menus of the Out of the Box?
The menu from the Out of the Box is very simple, and it's a very short and sweet menu. Like you'll get everything from fast foods to Indian cuisine. I'm providing you with everything. It's a very limited menu so that I can see all the food items are authentic. Like if I'm serving pizzas, I'm serving thin crust pizzas. I've just yesterday introduced burgers.
Okay.
The mutton burgers and all these kind of dishes you won't find anywhere in Jammu. And even the khao sway, it's a Burmese dish and it's very authentic. And plus I'm also very soon I'm starting with Asian food, serving with bowls, noodle bowls, and even the rice bowls with it.
That's lovely.
So yeah, you'll get whoever tries my food will see that okay, it's really authentic, and you have a different kind of menu and taste in Jammu which you won't find anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really nice to know. So please describe your signature dish and why do we choose those dishes over any other in the menu of the Out of the Box?
So my signature dishes would be after I'm getting the reviews from the customers and all that. The first is Macher Jhol. It's basically a Bengali style fish which you eat with rice. It's fully loaded with flavors and it's really authentic, and all the people who have tried it have ordered again.
Okay.
Yeah, and even the second dish which I would like to tell my customers about are the Shami kebabs. Like the Shami kebabs which you will try from my kitchen, you won't find anywhere in Jammu. I can really bet on that.
All right.
And those kebabs will just melt in your mouth. They are so delicate in texture, and I see to that like when the person takes first bite, he'll start falling in love with those kebabs for sure. Yeah. So
Great.
Macher Jhol and Shami kebabs are a must try. Yeah.
All right. So what advice or a message that you would like to give to the young budding chefs here in Jammu?
My advice is just that if you have that passion for cooking and if you like it, if you like spending your hours in the kitchen, just go it and just try whatever you want to. There's YouTube, there's Pinterest. Go search for dishes. If you like it, make it and try it again and again till the time you like it. Yeah, and it's cooking. You can do so many things. You can do infuse a lot of things, whatever you feel like. So yeah, just do like it's a passion. If you have that, you will succeed in it. That's it.
All right. Can you suggest or specify 3 good cooking kitchen habits that you incorporate in your cooking
Yeah,
daily course
sure.
that helps make people feel safe with your food?
Yeah, actually, we all know like this pandemic is going on, and right now delivering food and my hospitality industry, I have to be very cautious with everything because people, if they are depending on me from my food, I have to see that it's well sanitized and all. So 3 main practices which I apply is to see that first my kitchen is sanitized every day in the morning.
All right.
Because before I start cooking and I start enter the kitchen, it's all sanitized. We all are wearing gloves inside the kitchen. Nobody comes in without the gloves, and even the chef cap.
Okay.
Yeah, so these are the practices, and even my utensils and all, everything is sanitized before I start my cooking.
That's nice. That's
Because
really
it's
nice.
really necessary nowadays.
Absolutely. That's quite an important aspect.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much, Navin.
Thank you so much for having me.
On that note, has our interview made you feel hungry? Grab your phones right now and reserve your orders with the Out of the Box and try their special menus. Keep watching Jammu Links News and Conversation with series, where we get you personalities of the eminent interest from across the state. Thank you.